Day like 4 or 5 in the boatyard. Sierra said she wasn't sanding anymore, so she's painting the bottom right now. Jetty's up here just... Hey Jetty. Just chilling on the swim platform, just hanging out. How's it going?
Dirty work in here, dirty work.
Just cleaning all the rails before we get to oiling them. Make sure there's no dust or dirt or anything left on them. Sierra, what time is it? It's like 8 o'clock, it's dark out. We're just leaving the boatyard now. We're going in the water tomorrow. We got a lot done today. We got, I don't know, Sierra painted the bottom. We got the green boot stripe on. What else do we do? A ton of sanding.
Sanding our lives away.
Look at this nice boot stripe.
Hey, look at the nice bottom paint.
And the nice bottom paint. So we're going in tomorrow afternoon, and we still have a lot of stuff to do. We didn't even get to oil the rails today. So we'll do that first thing in the morning. So I got some right here ready. And then we'll wait for it to dry a little bit and then mount the hardware, and we'll do another coat of oil when the boat's in the water. We're getting the propeller put back on tomorrow. We got it checked out, balanced.
Should we tell them
What?
about our sail?
Sure.
So, we are doing all this boat work, not only because we're gonna do another trip up to New England area, but also because Neverland is going to be for sale soon. Well, she is for sale because we want to get that sailing catamaran.
Neverland's for sale. Here she is. What a beaut. And she could be yours.
Not because we don't love her. We do love her. Not because there's anything wrong with her. Just because we want to get to the British Virgin Islands.
We're gonna get back on a sailboat and we're gonna get on a catamaran. But we're still gonna have Neverland for a while. We're gonna do this big trip through New England for like a month. And
if we don't sell her, we'll bring her back down to Florida.
Yep.
Now it's time for dinner. Bye guys.
Alright, we just got to the boatyard for our last day here. I'm trying to get everything done before they put us in this afternoon, so oil some wood right now, and
we're waiting for a prop.
Yep, waiting for the prop. Here we go. Sierra's doing the rails. How's it going?
Almost done.
It looks so good. Did the bottom rails already. Almost ready to go back in the water. We got a couple hours left and one more thing to do, and that is to caulk the seam between the deck and the rail we just oiled, so we're gonna do that now.
We're about to go back in! Billy is doing the last touch-ups of his bottom paint.
now. So far so good. Everything sounds good. Don't feel any vibration at all. Feels like we're going fast at like no throttle. So far so good. We're only at like a quarter throttle. We're already doing 5 knots. And yeah, just everything sounds good. We're not towing the whaler, and we shouldn't have any, the current should be nothing here, so that's not a factor. Yeah, good signs going at 5 knots at quarter throttle. So I'm gonna bump up the throttle a little bit and see what speeds we get to, and just make sure everything's running well. All right, I just bumped it up a little, so we're not even at half throttle, but we're already doing 6 knots. It's a really good sign. Same thing, everything sounds like it's running smooth. Boat's still a disaster. The outside looks really good. Alright, just bumped it up a little more here, so we're at about half throttle, and that's what we've been cruising at the whole way up the coast, and we're already doing 6.5 to 7 knots. So really good sign. Just what a difference it makes having that bottom completely clean, and having some growth on that propeller definitely affected our performance and a little bit of vibration in that prop and everything. Everything's running well, and I'm super happy. We're even throwing a little bit of a wake here. Tiny bit of a wake. And on top of all that, our engine's running really cool too, so that's definitely attributed to cleaning out the strainer on the bottom of the boat as well, and just not working so hard with all the growth on the bottom of the boat. Super pumped. So Sierra's running some errands at the store right now, getting some new like curtains and carpet and stuff, and we're just pulling into the river up here. So we're gonna anchor here, still do some work on the boat while it's in the water, and getting ready for our next big trip. So we're pumped, man. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Most of you guys, all you guys who ordered our Tula's Endless Summer, whatever floats your boat t-shirt, you should be receiving them now. A lot of people have received them, or you should be receiving them any day. And thank you so much for everyone who ordered them. You guys are absolutely awesome. If you did and you received it, send us a picture. We love to get those pictures.
And we had such good luck with the 2-week campaign period. We actually had over 100 people ask if they could buy them after it was over. So we decided to open it up for 3 more days. Just 3.
So you guys who missed out can get them.
But really, this is last of it.
So just check out the link in the description if you missed your chance to get a Tula's Endless Summer t-shirt. And yeah, well, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time.